Hey, this is Sabrina with 7th Stream, and I'm going to show you how to integrate Infusionsoft with ClickFunnels. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your account on the upper right-hand side, and then you're going to click on Integrations. Now from here, you're going to hit Add a New Integration, and you're going to find Infusionsoft. So you can just search for it. Now, when I signed up for ClickFunnels, I first set up Infusionsoft with this API version 2. It was having some glitches, so they recommended me setting it up with Infusionsoft API without the version 2 on it, and now everything's working just fine. I'm not positive the differences between the two, to be honest, but I did find that this first one worked better for me than the second one. So you're going to go ahead and click on Infusionsoft API. And then what it's going to do is it's going to have you give it a nickname. Then it's going to have you put in your account name. So this is what appears before the .infusionsoft.com. So typically it's a number. Ours, like it would be something like AG489.infusionsoft.com. So you're going to put in whichever one is yours. Then you're going to go into your Infusionsoft settings. Let me log into mine here. And you're going to go into your admin settings. And under this application section, you are going to find your API key. So we have that right here. You're going to copy and paste that into your encrypted API key section. Then you're going to click Add Integration, and it's going to automatically integrate it for you. Now, when I did the version 2 option, it was asking me to log in. So if you use the API version 2 option, it should just ask you to log in and connect everything for you. So maybe that's where the issue came in. Maybe it logged me out for some reason, but I found that this first one worked a little bit better for me. So once you have that done, then it is all integrated and you are all good to go. Thank you so much for watching.